we've got some new stickers. Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rachelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video. And in today's video, y'all, I am doing an unboxing of my first PR package from Robin over from Robin's Planning Nest. She's at Robin's Planning Nest over on Instagram as well as YouTube. So if you aren't following her on either platform, make sure that you follow her and subscribe to her channel so that you don't miss any of her goodies when she releases them. And I will also leave in the description box a link to her Instagram and her YouTube. So y'all, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and open this. Y'all, these stickers released, I want to say on the 8th, but I think I mentioned this in a previous video that I think it was a video. I was trying to think, y'all. If you heard the intonation in my voice, that's what it was. I was trying to think where I mentioned this, but I'm sure it was in another video explaining to you all that I hadn't received my PR package when I filmed that other video. I can't remember which one it was, but I have them now. They arrived, I think, the day when we left for my son's state tournament, and that was last Thursday. I want to say Thursday or Friday. So y'all, here is the package that it comes in, and look at this stamp here. I don't know, what is this called? Looks like this is some, what do you call this? I'm terrible at this stuff. I don't know, but it's like gooey, and then she stamped it with an R for Rachelle, and it's pink, and then this gold R. I love it. Robin, this is so cute. So thank you for sending this to me. Oh, look at the inside, that rose gold. I love this. Okay, so y'all, like I said, these stickers released last Thursday, her first release of 2024. I almost said 2023, but 2024. And I am on Robin's affiliate or PR team, and I do have a code, and it is Rochelle20 to save you 20% off of your order. Let me open it. So I would greatly appreciate it when and if you do use my affiliate link and or code. I have featured Robin stickers on my channel before, even before I became a rep for her shop. I mean, I just love her stickers, the quality, the care, the paper she uses. I just love it all. Okay, so we have here a postcard. It's got her, okay, so it has her website here, www.robinsplanningnest.com. Look how cute this postcard is, or journaling card. And let me move that out of the way. I think that was my packing slip. It was, and it had my address on it. And then, okay, this is a thank you card, and it says, yeah, I guess this is just like a standard. If you don't have anybody's PR code, you can enjoy 10% off of your next purchase by using code thank you 10. But why would you use that code when you can use my code, which is Rochelle20? All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into these goodies. Oh, look at this. So this is Hello Valentine 1. So you have here the lady here with the rose. I love these colors, y'all. I don't think that this camera is doing these stickers justice. Let's see here. Are these are paper, and I think they're kiss cut too. Yep. So she has very little white around the stickers here. Y'all, this is so cute. So you've got the ladies here, you've got the cake here, the hot air balloon, the cup with the roses, some donuts here, some cookies, a typewriter, the cupcake tray, and then some candies. Y'all, this is so pretty. I like the fact that the girls are diverse in color and in shapes and sizes. So love this page here. Again, this is Hello Valentine 1. This is Hello Valentine 2. Look at this one, y'all. So you got the box of candies, the bear or the stuffed animal, the champagne or wine, cupcake. Look at the truck with the roses, the present, the jar of candies, roses, and then look at her. So cute. So cute. Okay. Oh, which one was this one? Hello Valentine 2. And then this one is called Valentine Treats. And I think, yep, this is paper. And I want to say this one is paper as well. Yep. So far, they've all been paper. So this is the Valentine Treats. You got your sugar cookies. You have your hearts here with sprinkles on them. You've got your chocolate, the lips, the chocolate covered strawberries. What are these called? The hearts, like the candy hearts, the sucker here. Now this is so pretty. And y'all, even though I'm filming this on the 13th, even though tomorrow is Valentine's Day, if you still want to order these, I would say order your stickers, because there's still how many days in the month? 13th, so 16 more days. And you can still do a Valentine's Day spread, because it's the month of love and Black History Month. Okay, so this is Valentine's Day. This is paper as well. These stickers are so pretty. Oh, I love this little envelope here. And yeah, these are paper. So pretty. Her colors are so vibrant. Y'all, give her shop a check. Check her shop out. So this is Cozy Movie Night 1. That's me right there. Oh, I love the neutral palette. Look at her sitting in this big comfy chair. You got the macaroons, the cappuccino, the fluffy little corner like couch thing. What is this? Are these like, I'm going to call these candied almonds. The stack of pillows, the popcorn machine. You got your tray here of goodies. You got the smell good. Her headphones here, and y'all, she's ready to watch movies and eat some cookies. I love, love, love this sheet, and I love the colors. So Cozy Movie Night 1, and we have Cozy Movie Night 2. Look at her, she's giving eye. Look at her. She knows somebody's taking her picture. And then you have your drink here, you got your pizza, you've got your house shoes, the bowl of chips, the fireplace, the teddy bear, the drink here. She's got her teddy bear, popcorn. She's reading or even listening to music. And then you have your, I call it the director's chair. But y'all, this is really pretty. So if you want to decorate your journal or have a self-care spread, these would be great stickers to use for that. Okay, and like I said, all of these stickers so far have been on paper. Now I think we have some clear. Oh, look at this, y'all. Retro 90s birthday one. These colors pop so well. They are so vibrant. So yes, these are clear. Your balloon arch, the balloons here, the present, the cupcake. Look at him. He looks like a Build-A-Bear to me. And then you got the fireworks going off there. And look at this one here. the castles in the background. I love it. So retro 90s birthday 1. These are in clear, on clear paper. Look at the My Little Pony right there. My Little Pony is what I'm calling her anyway. And look at this cupcake cake. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. And these are on clear. Okay, this is birthday celebration 1. So you've got the pink hues, the pinks and the tans. So this is a good sheet if you want to celebrate or plan a spread with birthday stickers. So pretty. Okay, look at this one. This is birthday celebration 2. Yeah, I just had a coughing fit and my throat is a little parched. But this is birthday celebration 2. So you have more decor stickers that pair well with this birthday celebration 1 here. So really, really pretty. You got the diverse colored girl. So you have a darker girl and a lighter girl. What do you call this? Like the little blow thing? I don't know what that's called. The little noise maker, some champagne, balloons, the party hat, party invitation, the makeup bag, the cupcake, the banner or the streamers and the lashes, and then the card here. So birthday celebration 1 and 2. Okay, then we have some rose gold numbers. These are in clear as well. Yes. So you have a larger set, then you have a smaller set. So of the larger set, you only have 1 set. No, you have 2 sets. Okay, you have 2 of each. So you have 2 of the larger and then 2 of the smaller. So rose gold numbers. Oh, Black Beauty 1. I love this sheet. Love it. Are these clear also? Yes. Okay. The different girls with the different florals adorning their heads. Their hairstyles are different. And of course the girls are different. I love this. And she used the colors for Black History Month. She didn't tell me that, but that's what Black History Month, those are the colors. And then we have Black Beauty 2. Let's see how similar or different these are. So they are different. Yeah, they are different. I was gonna say they look like some of the girls could be the same, but they're different. They have are the florals in the hairs the same? No, they're different also. Yep, they're different. So Black Beauty 1 and Black Beauty 2. And then y'all, Women of Color. Love it. I absolutely love this. And this sheet is clear as well. Okay. Clear, transparent stickers. So y'all, that is everything from the February release from Robin over at Robin's Planning Nest. If you have not checked out her shop, y'all, check out her shop. She has some nice stickers available. I've only seen them in this size, which is like a 5x7 sheet. But y'all, she has very, very, very nice stickers. And just makes you want to buy from her shop. I love Robin. And she will do whatever she can to get these stickers out to you. But y'all, here are all the stickers from Robin's first release of 2024. Like I said, if you don't already have these stickers, that's okay. You can still purchase from her shop using these other stickers. okay, at some point of time other than Valentine's Day. But then if you still want the Valentine's Day stickers, we do have at least 2 more weeks in the month. So y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rachelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.